Hey guys, this video I'm gonna show you to organize your screenshots or your files. If you have a lot of files in a folder, for example, on my desktop right here, I have a lot of files all over the place, and I have not had time to organize it. So if you have files in your download folder or a folder like of screenshots or files, you can ask ChatGPT to do this. I'm gonna show you how to organize it. So please give a like and subscribe. That's gonna help me a lot. All you do is you download ChatGPT, the desktop software, and then you want to go to instead of chat, you want to go to work. So work, it's gonna be able to get tasks done on your files and app on your computer. And then one you want to select is right now is ChatGPT 5.6. You want to select the highest, but I think at high it's still good. But I still have like a lot of usage left, so I'm gonna use extra high right here, and I'm gonna select this as approved for me, because otherwise it's gonna keep asking should I move this file, or this file should go here. So I want it to automatically approve for me, and I'm gonna type this: can you organize my desktop screenshot and files, and then just hit send, and then it's gonna start looking at the screenshot, and it's gonna ask you a pop-up to allow it. I already allowed it earlier, so it's gonna ask you to allow for it to manage the files, organize for you. So it says I'll first inventory the loose item in your desktop, identify screenshots and obvious file groups, and leave existing folders alone. Then organize only the clear case into small tiny folder structure. So the desktop contains 88 screenshots, 9 exported videos, and 10 Screen Studio project folder. I'm grouping by month and keeping editable recording projects separate from finished videos. Hidden macOS files will remain untouched. So I have all these files right here on a desktop. I'm gonna bring it back. So as you can see, all my desktop disappeared right here on the background. I'm gonna make it smaller so you guys can see. The move is complete. So it's separated into screenshots and screenshots recordings. So all the files just disappeared. They're not disappeared, they like move into folders. So it says your desktop is organized, 18 image group by month, screen recording finished videos 10, screen recording Screen Studio projects into 1080 So let's check this out. So we're gonna open this, and it's organized by month. So as you can see, it's organized by month right here, and I have different month, and then Screen Studio recordings into finished videos right here, as you can see, and the other ones are just Screen Studio projects. Okay, so screenshots are organized by month, and yeah, so that's how you organize files. You can also apply to the documents, projects, etc. to organize them, and you can ask it to organize it in a smart way as well. This is the standard way to organize. So if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.